I put in more a little bit. You need a bit before 5/4. I put in 5. I put in a little more.
Let's put a little more right now.
Wait a couple minutes to go down and check out and see what happened. And okay, my friend, you know, you were happy there a couple times you come. I appreciate it.
Yep. Welcome back, everyone, to Toco's Review. Today we're going to talk about my late 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan. Went to the dealership today. Come to find out they charged $399 for the automatic transmission fluid change and $199 for the filter. Wait, what? $600 plus? That's insane. Anyways, everyone, you guys watch to the end of this video. I'm going to show you guys and reveal to you what you need to do and say in order to get the best price in town by California Auto Works. So this is how you do a transmission fluid change on a 2016 Dodge Caravan. So I did this review for educational purposes. It's for all those who are going to the dealership and come to find out that they're charging a leg and an arm for just an oil change or a transmission fluid change or whatever you're doing. You can go to your local a community shop like this shop here in Redwood City, California on Middlefield Road. It's called the California Auto Works. They will do the same job that they do at the factory for barely a fraction of what they charge. And as I said before, as you guys watch this, I was mind blown because they actually told me that it's a sealed cap. Come to find out, it's not a cap. You can unscrew the cap, but it doesn't have a dipstick on the transmission fluid on the 2016 and I think 2014 models on up with the new vehicles. So they don't put those things there, I guess, just to make it seems like it's hard, and other shops won't do it because they know nothing about it. That's why people are misinformed. They tell you one thing and people will spread the word out, but come to find out, it ain't even like that. It's easy to change. Anyone can do it. If I had a lift, it would be easy. But as you can see here, this gentleman here is servicing my vehicle, and it only took, and I'm going to repeat this, it only took a half an hour. And once all that was done, it was all gravy from there. As you can see, this is what he's doing. The same thing the factory offers for a fraction of the price. So beware, everyone. There's that filter that was $199. It was only 28 bucks with the gasket that goes around that.
You don't need a gasket, only you put in silicone in this transmission, have it?
Oh, that one's a good one, huh?
Yeah, he's have a silicone, special silicone round.
Oh, okay, so there you go.
He's got a gasket, I put in the new gasket, you have it.
This thing should have a magnetic. This is how we can see if the transmission's been eating itself.
Of course you have a magnetic.
So it's
he's
super
used,
clean.
you see there, in super clean you have a little clutches brown, normal, sometimes, you know,
Yeah.
how you, all of this transmission, this.
See? That's why it's always good to support your community shops, man. Because without you knowing these places, this is what happened. You go to the dealership and they tell you, I'm going to show you guys on a piece of paper on part 3 that they quoted me $399 plus 199 bucks just for the filter.
Yeah,
For that thing right there.
Have a low mouth. Exactly.
Alright, so you need a special tools to take off the filter.
Yeah.
This guy has the special tools right here, which I don't have at home.
Star, and a special star. You have a turbo.
So you guys check this out. So you have to take this off, he said. Even though it still looks good, but it's better. There you go, guys. That's how you do it.
Okay, this is the seal. The problem is how you stop the new back.
Okay, so I gotta see this. Because you said this is compressed, so it's a little bit different.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I'm learning something new. New filter, guys. You gotta like stick it in there.
Hey, what happened, my friend? Okay.
That's the new filter. That's the old one. So this is where the dipstick open, where it stops right there. So it doesn't go all the way to the pan. Most people think it goes to the pan, but it doesn't. That's where the oil should be, the level. Special silicone to seal it.
You're right. You got already. You're right. You got already to move.
There you go.
For FDFA 4 original, go to transmission and start slowly.
So something that cost me $3.99 plus $200 for the filter, $3.99 for the transmission. The dealership said leave it there for 3-4 hours. I came to these guys, and you guys want to know how much he charged me? Because I bought the transmission fluid and the other stuff. $100, and I'm gonna hand it over to him, just like that.
Thank you, my friend.
Thank you, man.
I give you a receipt now. And
Wow, he gave me a pen too. That's cool.
you have the
All right.
advertisement.
So you guys check this out. You guys come over here to California Auto Works, all right, and just mention Toco's review, and this guy should talk to you. He'll hook you up with a good deal. Just talk to Alex, and he'll give you a good deal. Just mention Toco's review so he knows from me. All right, guys. So if you guys like this, hit the like button and subscribe. Out. All right, everyone. Once again, just mention Toco's reviews. Just mention Toco's reviews to Alex or any of his sons at the California Auto Works, and you will definitely get the best hookup in town. The total of everything, for just the labor, it was $100. For the automatic transmission fluid, it was $24.99 for a 5-gallon. Plus tax, it came out to be $27.89. The total of my cost for this was only $127.89, and at a 600 plus. And how much did I save? And I really mean it. How much did I save? $472.11.